little smart kids. Subscribe to our channel and you'll never miss any new cartoons. And make sure to like it.
At last! We have a weekend today. Let's go out to the city, Handy-Andy.
Great idea, Emmy. Let's go to the supermarket and buy everything we need for a picnic. Look, Razer and Rocko came to the plant. Let's hide and watch what they're going to do. They are talking about something, but we cannot hear anything. I can't understand why Boss needs to cause an accident on this plant.
I don't know. Why would you care, Razer? We need to cause an explosion and take our money.
You're right. They ran to the plant. I don't like it.
They are planning something, Handy-Andy.
We need to come closer to the plant and check what they're going to do.
Help! Help! Call the police, fast!
What's going on here?
Somebody installed a bomb in the main pipe of our plant. The protective filter was damaged by an explosion, and now poisonous smoke is going to the city. We are all in big danger. The acid rain can start. Acid rain. It's a kind of rain or other fallout. Rain, snow, hailstones, fog, rain, and snow together that can start because of pollution in the air. Usually the pollution can be by the sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides, harmful emissions from plants and production. In order to stop this emission from going to the air, plants should install special protective filters on their pipes.
I'm sure that Razer and Rocko caused the accident in the plant.
Emmy, call the police and firefighters fast. I'm going to help the worker to install a new filter into the pipe. We have to rescue the city.
Hello, it's Emmy. Send the firefighters to the plant fast. Razer and Rocko exploded the protective filter on the plant's pipe. The whole city is going to be in smoke. And acid rain is going to start soon.
I'll send the firefighters to the plant right now. Emmy, tell me please, where did the bandits go?
The bandits escaped.
Oh, it's clear. We're going to chase them.
The acid rain has started. I need to hide under the roof of the bus stop fast.
I need to install the new filter to the pipe to rescue the city from the acid rain. I'll do it with Megamax using the winch. Bad luck. I need to do it better.
I hope Handy-Andy will install that filter fast to the pipe. Acid rain started and I'm really scared.
We cannot find the bandits in this darkness. It seems that we missed them.
Come on, I can do it.
You did it, Handy-Andy!
Come into the car, Emmy. We need to help the police to catch the bandits. Where could they hide? I see them. They're hiding behind the garbage bin on Pictor Street. I'm going to block them. We've got you guys. Now you're going back to prison together with your boss. Here we go, again to the prison. Handy-Andy, Emmy, thank you so much. You helped us to catch the bandits and rescued the plant. Don't mention it.
Oh, what a weekend we had.
Oh, Emmy, by the way, we still have time for a picnic.
That's great. Let's go then.